guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today we're going to be replacing teeth on this backhoe bucket. The first thing we need to do is drive out the old pins, just using a punch and a hammer. On these split pins, you'll notice that one side is marked back, and the other side has these two ridges on it. These face out towards the teeth, and this back is facing the bucket. The easiest way to start these split pins is to compress them with a vice grip. That way it's a little easier to get into the hole. Okay, so of course it started to sleet and rain a little bit, so we're kind of halfway in and out of the garage. I got these three teeth in. The middle ones are absolutely a pain, especially if you don't have a little jig. I made one up to help get the pins in a little bit. I believe it's called a master pin or pin master. These are really helpful because if you have to sledge these in, which I did with this one, it's absolutely a pain. They're pretty tough just to sledge in, so I'll take a close-up of this so you guys can see it. So we're just putting our tooth on. We got this clamped. Don't forget that the ridges face out, and where it says back, it faces back towards the bucket. Alright, remember, don't forget your safety glasses. That one went in really easy. Probably took me 15 minutes just to do one of these without that jig, so that one really smooth. Probably took me 45 minutes to do all of this, so it does take a little bit, especially if you're sledging them in. Hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.